Okay, this is what your home screen is going to look like for a typical English course. So the Getting Started module that walks you through everything you need to know. Announcements where I post information for y'all. Modules where you access your assignments, information, everything you need. Then you have resources, my information, and where you have those live learning sessions. So I want to show you how to access, so hit modules, access your information, in case you just want to jump right in. So make sure you go through this Getting Started module because this is going to tell you everything, answer all the questions you need to know. Make sure you complete the Welcome Live Learning session quiz for our live learning. Then getting into your actual modules. So these dots right here, that's going to be what your first module is. So you can click here on Module Overview. That's going to open the actual module that you'll start on. Okay, so it's going to be different depending on what English course you're in. But the module overview, it's going to give you your essential questions, what your module is going to be about, your key terms that you'll probably see on your test, and then some practice. You'll hit next here to move on to the following page. Then you actually get into your lessons. So look at this as your textbook. As you go through each page, you want to read and take notes on all of this information because this is what you're going to be tested over, and this is what your assignments are going to be over. So you'll go through, scroll all the way down to the bottom of each page, watch all of the videos, take notes, look at the examples. That's very important. As you go through, you're going to come upon your assignments. So here, the thesis discussion is the first assignment in this 10th grade course, okay? So here you have some important reminders for your course, okay, for this particular assignment, and then you're going to complete the assignment, okay? So you'll post your discussion here, hit reply. All you have to do here is write a thesis statement. So you'll write your thesis statement here, and then you'll hit post. You've completed the assignment after you've replied to 2 classmates. Then all you have to do is hit next, moving on to your next assignment, okay? Here, this is more of more assignments, not an information page. So you'll go through and you'll look at what you need to do for this assignment, okay? They have templates here for you to use. They have examples for you to use here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to read through the rubric, make sure you have everything you need, and you can submit it any way you want here. And then you just hit Submit Assignment. Once you've submitted your assignment, you'll move on to the next page. Okay, this is a content page. Again, make sure you watch all the videos, take all of the notes, okay, because the videos are very important. They're going to actually show you how to do these things. And these examples that are here are going to show you how to complete your assignments correctly. Okay? So as you go through, you have your lessons, you're reading, you're taking notes, looking at the examples. You come across your project. Okay, so this is a test grade. Again, you have the template here that you're going to use, and then you want to read through the information very closely, read through the rubric closely, choose your submission type, submit, and then the last page you have your essay that you're going to submit here, same as you did your previous assignment, and then you have your test. Okay, and once you're finished, you've completed this module, you can take the survey on the module, and then you move into your next module. Okay, and that is how you're going to access your assignments.